Hi, this is Stephen Tang, CEO of Zhanwan Technologies in the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program. Zhanwan is a technology-driven innovation company in the field of Industrial Internet of Things, that is IIoT. We specialize in the data acquisition, governance, computation, storage, analysis, and application of machines. We have developed the Intelligence series of IoT products, enabling the full utilization of machine data throughout its lifecycle. Rockwell Automation is a globally recognized company specialized in industrial automation and information. They have strong capabilities in PLC, motion control, field networks, and industrial software. We have successfully integrated our products, including benchmark production scenarios of our customers in the glass, heavy industry, electric vehicle battery, and automotive parts industry. Zhanwan's IoT and artificial intelligence algorithms, combined with Rockwell Automation's PLC, enable autonomous control and unmanned operations of equipment and process, reducing quality and efficiency losses attributed to human factors. These applications leverage the respective strengths of both companies, exploring new models for IoT implementation in enterprise. Our aim is to collaborate and serve more manufacturers, assisting them in achieving their core objectives of quality improvement, efficiency enhancement, cost reduction, green practice, and safety.